Hi guys, I hope you are fine, you are doing good, and welcome again on Etalanyi Rebranded. So for the new members who are coming to this particular YouTube channel, I plead you to just subscribe, comment, like and share the content that we are bringing to you here. Already those who have subscribed, I say thank you, and let's continue growing together. Watch this video until the end to know more about this particular area. So where I'm standing now, this is the Timol roundabout. Timol roundabout is found, it is a roundabout between Raila Odinga Way, that was previously known as Mbagathi Road, and then Maimayu Road. This is Maimayu Road, and then above me, it is the Langata Road. So it is just a junction between this particular area, and it was just made, this particular flyover was made to ease the congestion that was being experienced here. So this particular Timol flyover was commissioned last year in 2022 to ease the traffic that has been here. For those guys who have never been here, this is a wonderful place. You can just come and relax. You can see people are just relaxing around. You can come and then you relax and do your stuffs here because there are benches made for it. So I'm going to show you more about this particular area and tell you a history about it. Thank you, and keep watching to the end to learn more. Now we are still at this particular Timol junction, but look, as you can see, this is the Langata Road, and Langata Road just connects Mombasa Road and Ngong Road at Karen Shopping Center, or it also connects to Rongai, where people who live in Rongai use this particular road. Now this particular Langata Road was expanded in 2013, whereby there was a lot of traffic. It is a busy road. There's a lot of traffic on this road, and it was a two-lane. So the government saw it wise to reduce the traffic snarl-ups on this particular road in 2013 by using around 2.6 billion by the Chinese construction company known as Wuhi Construction Company to expand it to a 4-lane road to ease the traffic on this particular road. And at the junction where it connects with the Mombasa Road, you will find there's the Nyayo National Stadium. This is a very big stadium that most of you uses it. It is a home ground stadium for some of the local clubs like AFC Leopards, and you find that it is along this particular Langata Road. When you move from this Langata Road, as you come to this particular T-junction, then you will get at this particular area, whereby there was a total mess in this area during rush hours before the construction of this particular flyover. Vehicles coming from town using Langata Road, vehicles coming from Ngong Road using Raila Road, vehicles coming from South Sea using this particular Maimayu Road, vehicles coming from Rongai and also from Karen. So they were meeting here, and there was no roundabout at this particular point. So it was a total mess. So the government saw it wise to make a roundabout at this particular area using the latest technology. Look at this particular construction here. It is constructed using, it is metallic, and then I don't know the technology that was used, exactly the name of the technology that was used, but it is a metal. These are metallics that are used to just lay the foundation, and then the tarmac was placed on top of it. So it is a high technology that made this particular area to look the way it is looking, beautiful the way it is right now. And then here you'll see the Timol junction. On this particular Timol junction, there's the Timol here. This particular Timol is a very big mall that is now enjoying the fruit from this particular roundabout. There are no snarl-ups here in the entrance and exit of this particular mall. So this particular roundabout has played a very big part in easing this particular area. So when you're going continuing with this particular Langata Road, just a kilometer ahead, less than a kilometer ahead, you will get this particular Wilson Airport. And for those who have not traveled or have never boarded a plane, you can come to this area, Wilson Airport, just around here. It's just a walking distance. Uchukue ndege uende mashindani, because it is a local airstrip here, so you can use it to go to your local places. People from Kisumu, Garissa and whatever, the airstrip is here. And then from the airstrip along Langata Road, you will get the Uhuru Gardens. Now Uhuru Gardens has also gained a lot of fame in the country, as it has been modified to be a modern area where you can just go and relax and see the history of this particular country, more so pertaining the army of this particular the KDF of this particular country. So Uhuru Gardens is the area that holds the carnival grounds. So that is where more like Churchill shows were being done at the carnival grounds, and it is a common ground that is known everywhere in Kenya. So from this particular Uhuru Gardens area, then you will meet the Southern Bypass that connects Mombasa Road to Kikuyu. So where trains and large trucks are using to connect, avoiding the city area to go to Kikuyu. And then, so from there, you will get on the left, we have the barracks, the army barracks, and then just on that particular army barracks, we have also the stadium, the army stadium known as the Langata Sports Complex. It's there, so it's a stadium owned by the army where it is the home ground for Ulinzi FC. And then from there, you will get to Nairobi National Park. Now, National Park is a very important icon here in Nairobi. It is making Nairobi to be a unique city in the world, the only city in the world with a national park in it. So Nairobi National Park is there on the left, just after the barracks, and then on the right, when you cross Langata Road on the right, you will see the Langata Cemetery that is there on the right. From Langata Cemetery now, you will meet the Galleria roundabout. Galleria roundabout will get, there's a Galleria Mall there, and then on the right, there is on the left there is the road that will connect you to Rongai. That is the Mbagathi road that will take you to Rongai, and then on the right there is the Bomas of Kenya. And so from that particular Galleria Mall alongside Langata, you will go up to the Karen Market, where you will meet the Gong Road. On that particular Karen Market roundabout, there is Gong Road that you can use it to go back to the town, or you go left, you head to Gong Town, or you go straight, you will go to Kikuyu and the other variants in this particular area. Now, still on this particular Timol roundabout, I'm now on Raila Odinga Way, or previously known as the Mbagathi Road. Now, this road was commissioned in 2005 by Raila himself, and it is a concrete road. And 18 years down the line, there is no pothole on this particular road. The road is still intact. I think the government can decide to construct all roads in the country to be concrete roads, just to ease on the maintenance cost. Though people complain that the damage it does to tires, it's more severe than the other roads. On this particular Raila Odinga Way, you'll get the high rise, a place where I have high buildings, and on this particular, after the high rise, there is a barracks hospital, and then there is a Mbagathi hospital on the left, and then on the right there is a police hospital also, as you connect to Ngong Road. So this is a great road, this is a great technology that was involved in this particular area at this particular Timol roundabout. So guys, those who have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like and share. Also remember to hit the notification bell to be receiving more videos that are coming on the way. Thank you guys.